Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is my presentation of data structure. First semester examination 2K20 presentation. So I will not take much time. I will define my topics in short and clear the concept of my topic which I have selected. First of all, let me define the subject. The subject is data structure and I have chosen 4 topics from it. Data structure, introduction, array, linked list and sorting of algorithm. First of all, my introduction. I am Hamad Abdo from Computer Science Department Batch 2K19 in the University Campus Ladkana and roll number 21. So my first topic is about data structure introduction. Let's start my presentation with the first topic. First of all, let me clear the definition of data structure. A data structure is a specialized format for organizing, processing, retrieving and storing data. Data structure is a process to organize the data, then process or retrieve it and store the same data. There are several basic and advanced data structure types. And a data structure is designed to arrange data to suit a specific purpose so that it can be accessed or work within appropriate ways. Data structure is a process to collect and retrieve the data so it can be easily accessed in appropriate ways or in a disciplined way. So the second topic is array. An array is a collection of similar types of data. So if in a program we use the same data types, so it is called array. It is a container that holds the data values of single type. It only takes the single data type in a program. For example, you create an array that can hold so values of int type. So if you create a program which takes so values of integer, so it will not take on any character or float value. An array is a data structure that contains a group of elements. Typically, these elements are all of the same type, such as an integer or a string. Arrays are commonly used in computer programs to organize data. So arrays, or simply we use arrays to organize data in a disciplined way, so that a related set of values can be easily sorted or searched. So if we want to search or sort the list, it can be easily done. So let me define the advantages of arrays. Array represent multiple data items of the same type using a single name. It represent the multiple data items in a single data type. In array, the elements can be accessed randomly by using the index number. So with the help of index number, the elements can be accessed randomly. Arrays allocate memory in continuously memory location for all its elements. So it takes the value for its all elements in a single way. So there are two main types of array: one-dimensional array and multi-dimensional array. One-dimensional array is like a list and a two-dimensional array is like a table. Third one topic, linked list. A linked list is a linear data structure. So let me define further. Linear data structure is the searching process which can be searched in a ascending order, which will not skip any number. Or we can say that search in a sequence in which the elements are not stored at. In simple words, a linked list consists of nodes where each node contains a data. So in a simple way, we can say that linked list is made up of nodes where each node contains a data or a value. Search a linked list in a other list. Following are the some various types of linked list. Simple links, item navigation only forward. So in a simple linked list, item only goes forward, not backward or come back or in middle. It only straightforward goes and search or sort the values. Doubly linked list. Item can be navigated forward and backward. So the items moves forward, and it can be moved back also backward. Circular link is the last item contains a link of first element as a next the first element as a link to the last as previous. So that it is a process in which the node has a connection with last node and also the previous node. Last one topic is sorting. Arrangement of data in preferred order is called sorting. So if we arrange in a simple sequence way any data is called data sorting. So there are some sorting techniques: selection sort, bubble sort, merge sort, and insert sort. So the easy concept of sorting is any process of arranging items systematically and has two common yet distinct meanings. Ordering, arranging items in a sequence ordered by criterion. Categorizing, grouping items with a similar properties. So we arrange the items in a similar way or similar properties, so it can be accessed easily. So that's my presentation of data structure.